Hello everyone, I'm Chris Mullins and I'm the European Product Manager for our professional BRAVIA product lineup, and I'm here to give you a short introduction to our professional BRAVIA lineup. So the important thing with professional large format displays are that they need to be, at least from an end user point of view, they need to be reliable, they need to have great image quality to convey the information and the messages you want to say. And they need to be seamlessly installed and integrated in your solutions. And this is what our professional BRAVIAs really deliver. And we actually have the widest lineup of 4K HDR displays in the market. We have inch sizes from 32 inch all the way up to 100 inch professional BRAVIAs. And they're segmented into kind of three core areas. We have our entry-level lineup, the BZ30J, which ranges from 32 inch up to 75 inch. And they have a brightness of 440 nits. Then we have kind of our midline range, which is our BZ35J, which is 43 and 50 inch, and they're at 550 nits. And then we have our premium lineup, which is the BZ40H, which is 55 inch up to 100 inch, and they're at 620 nits. So you can see in our lineup, we cater for all inch sizes. And as you go up the range, you get more brightness, more image quality, and more engagement with our screens. So what are the key functions of professional BRAVIA displays and what distinguishes them from other large format displays? So when I talk about this, there's kind of three key areas. There's image quality, there's installation flexibility, and there is integration. So starting with image quality. So Sony as a brand are known for their image quality. If you're talking about a consumer BRAVIA, if you're talking about a projector, a crystal LED, or a professional BRAVIA, Sony offers class-leading image quality in terms of image processing and also panel technology. In professional BRAVIAs, you want to be able to convey information, you want to have engaging content, so image quality is particularly important here. But alongside that, also as an additional, we also have great audio quality with our BRAVIAs, which is sometimes left out when we talk about professional displays. So depending on your use case, that audio quality could also be a huge benefit. Then speaking about installation flexibility, so our professional BRAVIAs are built for 24/7 usage. So professional displays are used in quite high usage environments. You want to use them all the time and very regularly. These BRAVIAs are very reliable and built for that 24/7 usage. Also, you can use them in any orientation. So whether you're using them landscape, portrait, or you're tilting the display, they are also warranted for that usage as well. Alongside that, they come with 3 years warranty with advanced exchange. So really, they're super reliable. But if you do have any fault at all, we will send you an advanced replacement for those displays, so you have minimal downtime for your business. And then alongside that installation flexibility, we also have fully customizable displays. So we have something called Pro Mode within our BRAVIAs. And this enables you to fully customize the functionality within the BRAVIA. So you can decide how it turns on, when it turns on, what apps you see, how do you secure the device, how do you lock down the device. So depending on your application, you can also have complete flexibility with that Pro Mode, which is unique to our professional BRAVIAs. And finally, it's all about integration. So our BRAVIAs have IP control, RS-232 control, as well as support with a number of partners across Europe and globally for content management systems and remote monitoring systems, so that you can have ease of installation for both retrofit and also new installations as well. At Sony, we have kind of three core verticals around our professional BRAVIAs and where they're installed, and that's typically corporate, in retail, and also education. So when we're talking about corporate, you have signage displays for around your corporate building to explain people where to go, or what corporate messaging you want to have in your reception, for example. But also meeting rooms, such as small meeting rooms, large meeting rooms, and also huddle spaces. So depending on whether you need a 32 inch or a 100 inch, Sony has you covered there. On the retail side, this is where our image quality really comes into play. In retail, you want to show the product in all its glory. You want to show its texture, its color accurately. And this is where Sony BRAVIAs really distinguish themselves. So in quick service restaurants, for instance, you want to see the food on the menu boards accurately. Or in high fashion retail, you also want to be able to see those clothes and the textures of the clothes. So this is where also our BRAVIAs have a great benefit. And alongside that, we also have education. So whether you're in a a classroom where you want to have a large display for the pupils to interact with the display, or you have signage or wayfinding around a university campus. These are all areas where these displays can be used, as we mentioned, with all the benefits previously. So I hope you found that useful as a short introduction to our professional BRAVIA lineup. If you want to find out more, please go to pro.sony to find all the details about our BRAVIAs and their specifications, etc. And please join us in the next video where we're going to be talking about Pro Mode and how these are really built for professionals in much more detail.